Right, so welcome back to the channel. Today in the cooking and fires section of the channel, we have got the Madkon Braai. This is the 600S, and this is one of the fastest, if not the fastest, setup time I have ever seen in any fire pit slash barbecue slash braai. So you get a camp cover style bag, which is nice. I got the X-Demo one just because they were doing a bit of a sale and clearing out some stock. Nice, flat, small. The reason I got this is purely because, as you can see by the dimensions, that is easy to slide between some kit in the boot of your vehicle, behind some seats. It's compact. This is the largest one that they do in the range. As you can see here, we've got the actual fire pit itself. And then you've got the accessories, grill, etc. We'll come to those. Here is the party piece of this. This is why it is so fast to deploy. Take the two handles, lift. That is it. Right, so once again, show you how fast that is. That is it. So this is made from 3 CR12 stainless steel at 1.2mm thick. You have lift up sections like so. There is an upgrade kit on this which has the wind deflector, and obviously you've got the sections here where you can put the grill in a little bit higher, which means you can build whatever fire you want for a communal fire on an evening. So you've got yourself a fire pit. You can fold these down and have your cook pots on this section itself. You can have these up and the wind guard in here, get the coals going, get everything nice and low and cook off the coals. It is very, very versatile. And with the tolerances that this has, it's not an issue with warpage or anything like that for packing the thing away. And if you're wondering how fast this packs away, it's a case of just dropping these down, reversing what we've already done, flipping it over, pushing the legs down. It's that fast. So as you can see, you can either go low level there, or if the coals are still a little bit too high, get right out of the way. And one of my biggest gripes with kind of camp cooking and stuff is having to work down at floor level, especially after you've been on the road all day, you've had a few beers, you're a little bit wobbly on your feet, you go leaning over and fall into a fire pit. Get a couple of little arms in there. Specs on these, obviously 600 is the model, 370 is the width, and this is 12 kgs give or take, accessories, different bits of grills, things like that, but roughly around 12 kg, which again, it is very, very heavy. However, this is the largest one in the range. If that is an issue for you, or you're only cooking for say 2 people, then you could get the 400. This is, for me, for a group, the one to have. The others are great if you're going out on your own, but for what we do, I think this is the one. There is countless accessories from these, from rotisseries on little battery packs, down to fire guards and no end of different odds and sods. I will leave you to look at them yourselves. I'll put a link in the description down to the actual manufacturers of these. I am not affiliated in any way, shape or form with them. This was out of my Christmas money that I bought this. So check it out if you enjoyed that. Make sure you're subscribing, as there will be a load of other off-grid vehicles products, from awnings to fire pits to electronics. So with all products, we're going to give it the off-grid vehicles rating. This is out of value for money. We're going to give this a 4 out of 5. This is an expensive product. There is no way around that. This particular one, at the time I paid for it, should have been £300. I paid £240 because I got an ex-demonstration one with a little bit of wear to the bag and whatnot. I do think that could come down a touch, being as though there are some copies on the market now. You have to compete. Build quality, 5 out of 5. I cannot fault the build quality, the laser cutting, the riveting. The way this thing is designed is absolutely flawless in my opinion. Practicality, again, 5 out of 5. The way that this sets itself up, breaks itself down, folds away, and the size for an overland vehicle that you can fit this almost anywhere in a build. And because you can't see him on camera, Liam is over the shoulder, we've got a category just for him, alley factor. The alleyness of this thing I would say, again, a 5 out of 5 because it's just Ali as fuck, isn't it? And on that bombshell, anyway, if you've enjoyed that, hit the subscribe, give us a like, give us your opinion on the product as you see it now. It's always interesting to hear people's opinion, whether you think this is over expensive, and also compare in the comments below. If you got a thing that could rival this or another option to this, shout it up. This is a product channel. Hit the products up.